8 and 7/8. I mean 7 and 7/8.
Is this straight? Make sure that's level. And it's 7 and okay, you can go with that. 7 and 5/8 offset.
One over right here.
What do you need a pencil for?
Remember that sign?
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. 7 5/8 offset. All right, you take that. Hopefully this was straight. We should have. Hopefully that was straight. We'll see. Okay. Let's do 7 5/8 offset. And what you gonna do first?
Times 2.
Yeah, but we your first. Are you gonna have a first line, or you could just bend it off of this from the front? Okay.
What is it? 30?
So it'll be 14 and
I don't know. Do it twice. Mark it twice. I'm not a mathematician.
That wouldn't bring the switch, but you never switch on. You supposed to be putting the switch on? The beat.
Mm-hmm.
You supposed to be putting the big tail is, when you go around, take this, switch, power.
So this will go to Google. So this, well, it don't matter what side, right? This will go to the first Google one.
It matters.
Oh, it does.
Just like.
All right, and your next one, do the same thing that you did right there.
Which one?
I could have sworn I did that last class. Oh, what the hell I got?
That's your neutral. And that should go around. Where'd that go?
Oh, on the second one.
Right.
The power for
Power goes in the bottom.
power at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so power at the bottom.
We take that loose. We take that loose.
Take it apart.
And then find yourself a piece of neutral.
Stop when it get level. Right. Keep your pressure on it. Put it on there.
You see, you know, apply it. Don't see one. And the next class. It's saying that.
That looks good, sir. Put that level on there. You know who next? You know who next? You know who next? My brother right here. Now you just gotta match it. All right, cause he wrote what it was up there.
Yeah, 7.
That looks good.